again, people. An hour on this. Okay, back on the Triumph. Do a bit more filling. Probably not enough filling. Right, let me just dry it out a bit first. It's a bit damp this time of the year now, the fill to get. Here we go, air gun. Filler's porous, it just sucks the bloody water straight away. And the damp in there now. And you see the colour change as it going. I think you roll the primer on, that's the way I'll do it. And then rub it all down in. 400 at the end. Better on my chest than 2-part primer. It all helps. Dry it all off first. This is a bit of good, you can use that Sealy digital. There's a few lots of guns for this one. It seems to be alright. Lasting. Everything gets a bit damp out there, like. Put a bit of paper over the wheel. Stuff it so dusty. Inch mustard paper. There's 2 of them Kuani sanders. So are they good sanders? I like them. That's a 5-inch with an oddball. Same back. That's got a slightly smaller orbit to it. And this one is 6-inch. I've had this a good 2 years. No problem at all. I used to have a Mac one, I give like, I don't know, £100 for it. Bought that like £30–40 eBay. I just look for cheaper stuff now. That's the way I'm going. Right, let's rub that down a bit then. I'm scrimping on discs. I'm scrimping on discs. It's a good thing with these Velcros. Especially the good make these ones. In Dasa Rhino Grip White. You keep using them a few times. It's the problem with the stickies. Once you use the sticky once, you take it off, fold it over, you can't use it again. In my opinion, pay them a bit more. Get the Velcro. After many years of doing it, that's where I am. well used disc, so it took a long time to come down then. edges. You don't want to be filling onto paint. You don't want to be filling onto paint. You want to make sure you get the paint off before you do any filling around the job. Smaller disc for this. I'll actually go in there. It's awkward because it goes to a smaller area. The block's hard to get in there. You see me alright? I'm on the way, am I? Let me turn this way a bit. Just check a minute. Yeah, this is the awkward bit. It's narrow for the block. You feel in the filler, always keep your hand flat.